this stupid? Yes. Why are we doing it? Because this is a Wyatt Family Vlogs!
Let's see what Caleb's got over here, boys.
And you gotta bring the essentials. So we got a scarf here. We got a blanket. We got a sleeping bag. You always gotta be prepared. We got a beanie hat. We got hand warmers.
You bring all this on the trip, boy. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
And that's just half of it. There's more coming. Oh!
Nate doesn't know where we're going yet, but he needs to get his rock impeller on for this one. All right, guys, we are heading out and we'll see what kind of stuff we get into. Hopefully Nate doesn't get any rocks in his impeller.
I'm praying
today.
he does. Like, that would be so funny. Like, that would just be epic. Like, I mean, not epic for him, because it's like another 250. Like,
yeah, you know, he already ordered one probably.
All
right, we're heading out, boys.
There's your buddy back.
All right, so we figured out you have to swipe your card the right way.
Looking at us like, what is going on?
Dude, there was like no one out here too. Like, dude, we're like out here all by ourselves. All right, guys, so we're out here in Cincinnati. Caleb's just driving around a little bit. This is crazy. Like, there's Cincinnati right there. All right, we just arrived at the Little Miami River and we're gonna see how far we can go down before we hit some rocks. So let's see how far we can get. Caleb's putting on his winter jacket. I got my shorts on. Nate's got his swim trunks. We are ready to rip. All right, so there's a little fire from probably some homeless people, we're assuming. And, no, Nate's on the sand. He's trying to put it out though, I guess. Nate's gonna try to put this fire out with his jet ski. All right, quick update. We just got back from Miami. Caleb was our awesome leader. And yeah, it is about 3 feet of water, so we were sucking up some rocks. But luckily Caleb just threw in reverse and gave it to her and she came out. Yeah, it was getting all wet, like the whole ski's all wet now. Like,
Had to get the rocks down.
No, I couldn't. All right, so I think we're gonna go down to the bridge, look around, and maybe go try a different river. Nate fell in the water and he's a little cold, so he got all dried off and changed and all that. So now we're gonna try to go down the Licking River, see how far we get down that. Caleb will be our guide, so if there's any rocks, he can hit them first. And yeah, we should be ready to go. Nate's finishing up and we're head out. All right, guys, it's 2 o'clock. We tried the Licking River and there's a big no wake sign on it, so that's a big no-go. But we did get some cool footage of the like paddle boat or whatever, so I'm gonna put that in there. I hope you guys like that. And I'm not sure what we're gonna do now. Just goof off a little bit and I don't know, maybe find a different river or creek to go explore. We were going to go to River Watch to get some food. Good thing Caleb looked, they're closed. So we came back, but we found this cool abandoned like tugboat thing, steamboat. So let's go check this out and see what we can find.